What's up, babies? Is y'all ready for me to show y'all how I did this look? Okay, alright. Keep watching.
I am a big boss bitch. I do not come in your side. Look, I am a big boss bitch. I do not come in your side. Look, I've been hardworking and humble, but believe me, I heard of the mumble. I'm just gonna leave it alone, cause I won't put burners for bundles. Bitches is miserable, they are so typical. Hating is cheap, now my material.
What's up, babes? Did y'all miss me? Cause I missed y'all. Ew. Okay, alright. So, little backstory. Y'all know I'm behind on fucking videos, so whatever. Alright, so I went to a music concert in May. I believe it was the end of May. It was like a couple days before my birthday, whatever, whatnot. So, one of my favorite rap artists was there. Gucci Mane was there, and then I also stayed after that, and it was like a rave like on the other side of the music festival. It was like so much fun, you guys. Like, I've never been to a rave. Like, I'm fucking 28, never been to a rave. I'm kind of mad about that, but at the same time I'm not that mad, because guess what, I was with my BFF. Me and her had so much fun. So what I did was I wanted to have like a nice simple look. I didn't want to have to do like literally nothing to my hair other than put the shit on. So I just went ahead and did some nice little crimps in there. And I got these crimps from Sally's. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I washed the wig prior to that. So what you see me doing is I'm running the flat iron through. You always want to make sure that, like, before you do any extra styling, like crimps, curls, anything, that the hair is silky and it's all going one direction, because otherwise it's gonna look like ew if you try to do it while if you try to like curl it or crimp it or anything. If all of the strands are not going the same direction, it's just gonna look ill. Like, if you did it before, you know what I'm saying. Like why do you think that people straighten people's natural hair first before they do any other style? It just looks so much better. It makes everything look nice and silky and everything. And I've noticed like a lot of people using they crimpers like with the barrels facing up. I like to use mine with the barrels facing down, like with the plate facing towards me, the flat plate, instead of the barrels facing towards me, just because I don't know, it's like the hair sticks up if I do it the other way, and I don't like that. It just looks weird to me. So I just like to do it this way. So I just ran through all of the hair with the crimper, and then I'm just going to go ahead and straighten out my edges, because I did want the top to be an updo. I knew I was going to be around a lot of people. It was sort of kind of hot, but you know, when it's like a lot of people, a big crowd, it can tend to get hot no matter what the temperature is outside. So I did know that I did not want my hair in my face, and this is a lot of hair, so I did know that I at least wanted, and you know, half of it up. So that's what I did. So I'm just going to go ahead and then run this hot comb through here, straighten out my ends and my roots and whatnot, so I can go ahead and, you know, finish my style. Okay. So again, I was not trying to be hot as shit, so I just did very light foundation, eyebrows, eyelashes. I think I may have did like a nude eyeshadow, bare eyeshadow, but that was about it. And then like some nice little lip gloss to top that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bad baby on. And if you see, I did not put a cap on because I just didn't feel like it. I didn't have all that time like that. I had a lot of things to do earlier that day prior to the event, so I didn't have time to try to put that fucking cap on, try to mold that shit down. I wasn't doing it. Okay, all right, it's a wrap, it's a dub. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on here. I'm using what am I using? I'm using Chic Bold glue. I like this glue because it's a nice temporary glue. It's only like $12. It's a really, really good hold, but I can still snatch my wig off at night without it being too attached. Like, it's not like how Bold Hold and Isha is, and I'll get into Isha like in another video. Girl, jeez, that glue hold, girl, whatever. We'll see it in one of the next videos. Okay, all right. So yeah, so I'm just going ahead and spreading this through. Yes, I am putting this on my hair. It does not tear my edges out. Like I said, it's a really good hold, but for me, I sweat a lot, so the glue is going to come off by the end of the night anyway, so it's going to start lifting. So, and you know, that was like after my event and everything. So let it turn clear. Go ahead, put it down, press it down, and then that way, nice little firm press, and then that way I can finish the rest. So I do have my got to be moved just because I wanted to mold all of this up to the top, which I should have like put a scarf on it, and I didn't realize that until afterwards. Like when I was molding it, I just put the mousse on it, styled it up, and then just girl, because what I wanted to do, I wanted to have like two space buns, which is why I have it split to the side. And eventually, like, you'll see, because I was very undecisive of what I wanted to do, and it was not because I couldn't do it. It was just because I was working with such a small time frame, and girl, I was already kind of late, so I had to go. So I tried. I was about to do it. I was about to do the space buns. But as you'll see, I just pulled this all up into a ponytail. I thought I wanted it in a bun, but my bun wasn't poofing up the way that I wanted to. I should have teased it more if I wanted it to be poofy. But like I said, I was pressed for time, and it was just like some of these styles wasn't working out for me the way that I wanted them to at the time. So I was just like, girl, I'm about to put this up in the half up, half down. And then I'll show you guys what I did eventually end up with anyways, okay? Alright, babe, so here's the bun. See how it just sit there like, ew. It's just like somebody just plopped it right there. Like, it was just not working out for me, like, at all. And like I said, I could have teased it more, and it could have came out poofy enough the way that I wanted it to, because the hair is really long. So that's why I wanted the bun, but it was just like, it just wasn't working out. So I tried to do like a little tiny little tease right here, and then, you know, try to come up with a little something with the braid, which this one wasn't bad, but like I said, it just, I don't know, I guess I wasn't feeling the bun, honestly. And you know what got me too is because I wanted to showcase more of the purple anyways. So that's why I ended up taking the bun down eventually, because I'm like, Yeah, you can see the purple, but not as much as I wanted the purple to be seen. Like, I put the purple in the front of this wig on purpose so that it could be seen, not to be put it up in the bun. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and readjust everything. Put my ponytail up, girl. All right. Take a little bit of this hair and wrap it around that rubber band. I think I had to fix the ponytail like a couple times. I'm telling y'all, like, girl, I don't know what was my problem this day, okay? All right. I just could not get my hair. And what I should have did was I actually should have did my hair the night before. But I ended up washing the wig 2 days prior, and then I had clients the next day after that. And I was just tired after I got done with installing their hair, and I just went straight to sleep. So, whatever. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this chic bow is just that when I put like mousse on it and I'm trying to like do my edges and everything, and let's say if I'm like freaking sweating at the exact same time, my shit will start to lift, and I hate it. I hate it so much. So I had to put some extra glue onto there. I mean, this is not the type of like build up glue, because the more you put on there, the more tackier it looks. So it's just like you wanna put at least like 2-3 layers minimum. So I had 3 layers on there, so I just put some on there. I let it dry some more, and then I end up tacking it back down once again. But like I said, this glue, the glue is a nice glue, but it's not a nice glue for like sweaters. Like if you have a thick hairline like me, if you sweat a lot, it's just not gonna work out for you at all. Like it's like I said, it's nice for a temporary hold. It's good for videos, whatever, whatnot. It's cool, but hunty, like when you start trying to do your little edges like me, you try to put some little extra moisture on there, no, it's just gonna start lifting. So like I said, it's okay, but not really a glue. I would just like recommend, like, here sis, you could wear this all week. No. So as you can see, I still end up taking it down. Girl, I told you I was very indecisive about this hairstyle, okay? All right. So, of course, still end up taking it down and then end up crimping the top. So I wrapped a little bit of the hair that I took out and wrapped that around the rubber band, to hide the rubber band. Like I said, I just wanted to crimp it so I could have a nice little half up, down hairdo, half up, half down. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm sick, so bear with me. I'm trying to talk as much as my voice will allow me to. So, yeah, so just going to go ahead and crimp the top of this. Like I said, I wanted as much as this purple to showcase as possible, just because it's a really, really pretty purple. I really love it, and it goes well with the green. It complements the wig so much, so I needed it to be seen. Okay, all right. So let me know what you babes thoughts of this look in the comments below. And I got some little goodies for you after this. I have like a some few pictures and everything. Okay, all right. Look, some when I was looking cute or whatever, me and my best friend or whatever. So I have all of that at the end, as well as I have like a couple clips of you know, us dancing around, everything, of enjoying ourselves. You know, don't judge me, judge your mama. Okay, all right. Hit the like and the subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, hunty. And I already know you like the video. Okay, all right. So hit the like, turn on the notifications as well, cause hunty, I'm telling you, I'm about to pop all these videos out. I have not been playing with y'all. I have not just been saying this for no reason. Okay, babes. So look, hold up. I did put on this purple lipstick, but I ain't like it, so I took it off. Okay, so yeah, that's me right there being all happy and shiznit. Okay, here's my outfit from head to toe. Well, not from head to toe, because I mean, I didn't show off my sandals like that. I had some nice white sandals that I had put on, and that's my BFF right there, like literally only friend. It's your baby LASHAI TRIELE, honey, and yes, new uploads every week. Make sure you follow me on both Facebook and Instagram for all updates. You know, just for the regular, everything that I post every time. Okay, bye.